Boop, boop, boop.
Oh, watch, Christian.
We're going into the car.
We're getting washed. Do you have a good car wash song you can sing? So you put that on that song? I'm just wondering if you put that on, or do we smell the stuff? It might.
Mommy, the blue. Mommy,
Look, Christian, I'm videotaping this for you. Do you want me to? Do you want me to?
The blue button means washing.
Here they come. Here they come. Woo! Sounds like it's raining really hard, doesn't it?
Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Mommy. Going back to the pool. Now exit, Daddy.
Now you're gonna hear the dryers. Here they come, Christian. Gonna dry us.
I want to watch the countdown.
you. Look above. Look up there, Christian. There's the blow dryer. Well, kind of the dryer, not the blow dryer.
I want to watch her go to zero, Mommy.
We still have 42 seconds, Monkey. It's a long time. Can you see it? Look, it's right there.
But I don't want to miss the countdown.
You're not missing it.